Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage sales training with LinkedIn Learning, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the specific sales skills and knowledge gaps within your team. Conduct a needs assessment through surveys or performance reviews. Create a list of relevant sales training topics based on your findings. Log in to your LinkedIn Learning account. Use the search bar to find your identified topics. Review the course descriptions and ratings to determine the best options. Choose courses that align with both your team's needs and the company's sales goals. Create a training schedule that accommodates everyone's availability. Communicate the training plan to your team, emphasizing the benefits of each course. Encourage team members to set personal learning goals. Assign specific courses to individual team members or groups. Monitor progress through LinkedIn Learning's tracking features. Schedule regular check-ins to discuss learning experiences and insights. Foster an open environment for sharing knowledge and skills learned. Gather feedback on the courses to assess their effectiveness for future training. Adjust the training plan based on team feedback and changing sales dynamics. Celebrate completed courses and milestones to motivate ongoing learning. Revisit the training process regularly to ensure it meets evolving needs. Continue updating the training content as industry trends change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.